What if I told you that every quiet moment you spend alone is secretly building your superpowers? While most people run from solitude, the most successful people, from Albert Einstein to Steve Jobs, ran towards it. They knew something that most of us don't. Being alone doesn't make you lonely. It makes you powerful. In this video, I'm revealing 6 hidden powers you unlock when you spend quality time by yourself. Number 4 will change the way you look at your own thoughts forever, so stick around. Power 1. Unshakable self-knowledge. When you're always around people, it's easy to lose track of who you are. Alone time is like standing in front of a mirror, but not for your face, for your soul. You begin to see your real strengths, your flaws, your dreams, and even your fears. That's why some people say they find themselves when they travel alone or take quiet walks. Because finally, no noise, no distractions, just you meeting you. Want to know who you really are? Spend time alone. Power 2. Creative breakthroughs. When you're alone, your brain enters a special mode called the default mode network. This is where creativity lives. J.K. Rowling thought of Harry Potter while riding a lonely train. Einstein worked alone in a boring patent office and came up with the theory of relativity. Your best ideas won't shout in a crowd. They whisper in quiet moments. If you're stuck on a problem or need a new idea, turn off the noise and sit with yourself. Power 3. Emotional resilience. Think of time alone as emotional gym time. It's not always easy, but it's how you get mentally strong. Instead of running to tell someone your problem, you sit with it, you process it, and slowly you learn how to stand on your own 2 feet emotionally. This builds quiet confidence. You don't need the world to tell you it's okay, because deep inside, you already know. Power 4. Decision clarity. This is the power that changes lives. When you're always listening to what others think, it's hard to know what you want. But when you're alone, the noise fades, and your inner voice gets louder. Investor and thinker Naval Ravikant said, "All my best decisions came from sitting alone in a room for days." Try this. Sit alone. No phone, no music, just you. What matters most to you will rise to the top. That's your real direction. Power 5. Magnetic presence. Here's something most people don't realize. The more time you spend alone, the more powerful your energy becomes in public. Why? Because solitude helps you sharpen your thoughts, your confidence, your words. When you finally speak, people listen. You've probably met someone who walks into a room and just has that aura. Chances are they've spent time alone, building it in silence. Power 6. Spiritual connection. Every spiritual leader in history, Moses, Buddha, Jesus, found wisdom not in crowds, but in quiet. Even if you're not religious, there's something about being alone that connects you to something bigger. You begin to see your small problems in a larger world. You start to feel grounded, centered, alive. In silence, you don't feel empty. You feel full. So now that you know the 6 hidden powers of being alone, which one do you want to develop most? Let me know in the comments. Just type solitude and the number of the one that spoke to you. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. Share it with a friend who's afraid of being alone. Maybe they're missing their breakthrough. And if you want more powerful lessons to grow your mind and life, subscribe right now. And remember, the quieter you become, the more you can hear. See you in the next video.